Good morning, guys. This is the Mighty Titan. We're off for a little run, and apparently he found some nice flowers and he stopped to smell the flowers. I guess he liked these flowers, so I'll just let him explore for a little bit and see when he will stop smelling the flowers. Or is it that he's trying to eat the flowers? Boy, oh, he's just sniffing out the flowers. Oh, he's finished with all the sniffing and he wants to go for a little run. So here he goes. Hey, boy. A little run on this morning. Go ahead, boy. A little run with Titan. It is very nice sun today, so I thought I would just take him for a little morning run. He likes to run, so that's what I'm doing today. Hey, boy. I think you're all tangled up. Let's untie you. There you go. Wait, boy. Titan. Come on. This way. He started running again. Oops. You found some grass, boy? Here, boy. Let's go. Come on. Here, Titan. He likes to stop and sniff out his environment for a little bit. Do you want to turn around now, boy? He's all the way up in the bushes. Titan, be careful. What are you looking for over there? Hey, boy. Sniffing away. Wow, it's windy. It's a little windy. All right. I guess this is where we're going to sign off for today, because I guess this is where he wants to stop, and I'll just let him be. No, boy, we can't go over there. All right. Let's go, boy. You want to eat some grass? What's wrong with your leg? Titan. All right, I guess this is where we're going to say goodbye. Oh, look, Titan, there goes some reindeers. Oh my God. Look, look, look. We got company. There are some reindeers over there. Come on, let's go say hi to the reindeers before we lose them. So there are some reindeers on the walking trail. They're all the way up there. Let me zoom in. Boy, there's some reindeers. Oops, they ran away. You scared them off, boy. They're gone. They went into the bushes. There were like a family of reindeer over there. I don't see them anymore, Titan. You scared them off. I don't know if I captured them. Nope, they're gone. Let me go back to square one. Okay. You scared the reindeers off. So I guess this is time to turn around, boy. You still want to walk some more? Titan, do you still want to walk some more? Or is it that you want to run some more? Here we go again. You scared the reindeers off. They were right here. I think they went down into the bushes over towards the river. I don't see them though. Come, boy, come. Oh, I don't see them. Anyways, you got your little morning run. So we're gonna sign off for today. Titan, please like, share, comment, subscribe to the Mighty Mighty Titans channel. Apparently he wants to stop and sniff again. Or, oh, you like the river over there? Mighty Mighty Titans signing out. Bye.